Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video we have actually extruded the walls, and now in this video what we are going to do, we are going to actually create spaces for our doors and windows. For example, we have to also specify our sill level and our the level above lintel. In case of windows we have to adjust the spacing, and in case of door the door starts from the ground level. There is no sill level for the door, but we have to specify the level above lintel. So in this video we are going to do this. We have to specify the spaces for our doors and windows. Now let's get started. First of all, I am going to some kind of other view. For example, I'm using orbit command for my customized view. For example, I'm going to this view again. Now here I wanted to draw a rectangle. This is actually our window from here to this point at the end point. So now what I'm going to do, I'm using extrude command here, selecting this rectangle, pressing enter, giving it height of 3 feet as a sill level. Now this will be my sill level. The total height of this wall is 11 feet and this is my sill level 3 feet. Let's say I will provide a window of 5 feet height. The height of the window will be 5 feet and the level above the lintel will also be 3 feet. So this is also a 3 feet sill level. I am just copying this level and I'm pasting it above side, the upper side. I'm just going to copy it, selecting the endpoint and paste it here. Again, I'm going with copy. I'm going with the multiple copies. You can see I'm selecting this base point and pasting it here, as you can see. Again, this is actually our copied item. I'm going to turn off this ortho mode. I'm placing it here and just click escape, and I am moving this one. I'm going to move this one to be there. So in this way we will make spaces for our windows. Now I am again going with the orbit view because we have to also specify our windows at this side as well. I want my customized view here. I am going with here, as you can see, at this side. Now we shall have provide the window here as well. I am again going with rectangle command. Again going with the rectangle command. Selecting this endpoint and this endpoint. Now what I am going to do, I am going to extrude this one at the upper side of 3 feet and copying this item to be at upper side, for example here. So in this way we will draw our windows. Again I am going with RIC, endpoint to this endpoint. Again extrude, press enter, 3 feet. Copying this item. I am going to copy this item from the upper side, as you can see here. I am pasting it here, not at the midpoint but at the end point. So I am again doing this in case of this window. Again I am going with the rectangle from here to here, as you can see. Again I am going with extrude command, selecting this one, pressing enter, 3 feet. Select this whole object, copy this one to be at the upper side, as you can see. Now there is one more window remaining. I think I am again going with orbit and I want to be in my customized view. So this is actually a ventilation we have to also create for our bathroom. It will be not we have to not start from sill level. We have to ensure the privacy of our bathroom. So first of all we have to draw a 7 feet rectangle as a wall. I'm going to draw, this is actually a bit different case here. I'm going to draw this rectangle as a, pressing this one, enter, and 7 feet. This, it should be for the purpose of ensuring privacy. Now I am going with again rectangle command, pressing from this end side to this end side, extruding it again. For example, I am going to extrude this one to be extrude this polyline to be 2 feet. So in this way I will ensure also a window, a little window for our bathroom for ventilation purpose. So I have to create our spacing for windows. Now I am going with doors. So in the case of doors, the recommended size of door is 7 feet. So the door starts from the ground level. We have to provide the level above, which is above lintel. So we don't have to provide our cell level here. So in case of doors, we will the total height of the wall is 11 feet. We will provide a 7 feet door, and the upper side we will provide 4 feet level above the lintel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going with orbit. Again, these are two doors as you can see here. Now I'm going with the rectangle command here at the upper side. From this point I will select this. I'm going to extrude this one downward 4 feet. And now I'm going to copy this object from this point. As you can see, I'm going to paste it here. And now these are actually we have created the spaces of two doors at our bathroom. Now I'm again going with the these two. As you can see, I'm going with REC at the upper side. I'm going with this one and extruding this object to press enter 4 feet. Now I'm copying this one to be there. As you can see, I'm copying this object to be there. Now we have actually created our spaces for these two doors as well. Now we have 3 other doors, as you can see here. Again, I'm going with the rectangle command. It's a bit easy to create doors from rectangle. And now I'm going to extrude this one. For example, I'm selecting my line here, pressing enter again, going with 4 feet, pressing 4 feet. Now this actually has been extruded. Again, I will be going with rectangle, pressing at the end point, selecting extrude. So one by one you have to extrude all your sides. For example, I'm going with this one. Now what I'm going to do, I am going with this. I have also provided extrude to this door as well. I'm going with REC command, pressing here to here at the end point. Again going with extrude, selecting this one and pressing enter. So 4 feet for this one. Now I am going to change my view. I am going with orbit. I am going with the view like this. Now we have to also provide this one. It was actually a window. So first of all, I am going to we have provided 2 windows at the kitchen. This is actually our kitchen, because the kitchen need much ventilation in our house plan. So we have provided 2 windows at the kitchen. So first of all, we have to provide a sill level and level above lintel for the kitchen for window placing, and after that we will go with our doors, pressing enter 3 feet at the upper side and select this one and copy this thing from the bottom point and it will be here. So this is actually a space for our window. Now 3 doors are actually remaining. First one is this one and these 2 here, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to again going with REC command. I'm pressing this one here and pressing this one here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to extrude these 2 doors. I'm selecting this rectangle, pressing enter and 4 feet here. Now simply I'm copying this one because the size of these 2 doors are actually same. I'm copying this item to be here, as you can see. Now only 1 door is remaining, because this one actually it's a door of our we can say it's our main door, so there will be no lintel or sill level above here. So we will provide this door as it is, but we have to also provide because there is no roof above, but we have to also specify our level here. For example, here I am going with you can say I'm going with REC command and I am pressing here. I am specifying my rectangle. Now I am going with extrude command. Now I'm pressing this tool, pressing enter, and 4 feet. So in this way we will actually create spaces for our doors and windows. So that's it for today's video, and in the upcoming videos we will be making design of our doors and windows, and we will be placing our doors and windows here. Thank you.